Hey y'all, it's your girl Levion and I'm back for another cleaning motivational video. So in today's video, I'm just cleaning my first and second floor. I'm just doing a thorough clean where I'm just wiping down all of my furniture and accessory pieces. I'm also tackling some high traffic areas in my living room. I absolutely hate having carpet, but until we can go ahead and get hardwood floors throughout the whole home, your girl is going to have to shampoo that carpet and get those nasty dirt stains, which was actually driving me bananas. So again, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know below in the comments, are you cleaning with me? Are you just watching and getting some motivation? I would love to hear. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate the support. First, I'm just starting off and just dusting my furniture. I feel like my house is always dusty. I don't know. I mean, does anybody else feel like their house is always dusty? I mean, I guess everybody's house gets dusty. I don't know. But anyway, I'm dusting off my furniture and I'm using the Method wood cleaner. So my go-to used to be the Pledge wood cleaner. I really do like that stuff because it does leave like a really nice high shine on your furniture. But this Method wood cleaner, it works really well and it smells amazing. So that has been my go-to wood cleaner for right now. So yeah, so I'm just going ahead and just dusting off all of the furniture, getting all the nooks and crannies and just making sure everything has a really nice shine to it. Now I'm moving on to my etagere. Do people still call this thing an etagere or is it just a bookshelf? I don't know. But just moving on to that, just wiping that down. Of course, I'm using my spray weight glass cleaner, which you guys know that I absolutely love. And I don't have that much furniture in my living room, so it's not going to take that much time for me to wipe down everything and just, keep it moving on to the next task. This is like my little small wedding area. This right here is like a guest sign-in book, but it's a picture book. So I had it where my guests would take pictures and then of course sign in. We were supposed to have a destination wedding, but with the COVID and everything that was going on, we decided to just have like a small ceremony and then have the reception and everything next year. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see pictures of it, so go ahead and head on over to my Instagram page where you can see my cute little ceremony. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Baby, moving on to shampoo the carpet. I feel like I would need like maybe to get like a carpet cleaning company to come in and get like the high traffic areas. Off camera, I did have to go over those areas again because it just did not seem clean to me. I just felt like the dirt was just still there. So I did go over it a few more times off camera, and to me it still didn't look as clean, but it did look a lot better, so I was okay with that. It's not about us, you know it's not about us, you know it's not about us, you know it's not about us. Toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flames going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about. Not about us, you know it's not about us, you know it's not about us, you know it's not about us. I'm just moving on to my powder rooms. I don't really get a good angle because the bathrooms are so small, but yeah, y'all know I'm getting this thing clean. So I'm just going through, making sure that the bathroom is clean, everything is wiped down properly, and everything is disinfected, because we do use at least this powder room more often when we're all on the first floor, like in the kitchen and dining room and things like that. So forgive me for the angles. I know it's not good angles in this one or the second one that I'm going to do, but like I said, just know that I'm making sure that everything is spotless. All right, so now I'm just making my way downstairs. I like to do this bathroom in the hallway first, and then use my swiffer or my broom or whatever I have on hand, and just kind of sweep everything downstairs. For me, it's just easier for me to do it that way, and just to get everything up off the stairs, and it'll go onto the first floor, and I'll just sweep everything up all in one motion. So to me, that's the easiest way for me to do it. And then of course I'll move on onto my second bathroom, and I'll be almost done. Guys, I don't know if you notice or if you can see it, but my eyebrows are a little tinted. They look weird. I was trying my best not to get in the camera, but I had to take like a second and go and get like my eyebrows threaded because my girlfriend, she was getting married. And the eyebrow lady, she's like, hey, you want to try tint? And I'm like, yeah, sure. I did not know it was going to be that dark. I looked so crazy. I had to like hold my head down the whole time I was driving home. So if you notice that my eyebrows look a little funny, that's because I did have the tint on them. But I must say, like after like a few days later, it looked really, really good. So I think I will continue to get them tinted. But FYI guys, if you haven't or you're thinking about getting your eyebrows tinted, please don't have an event to go to that next day. At least wait like maybe 2 to 3 days after you get them tinted to go ahead and do whatever you have planned on doing, because you will be so embarrassed walking around with your eyebrows looking like that. Well, I was anyway, but like I said, it did pay off in the end.
Sometimes all my friends are saying